I am currently working on a project where my role is not as the project manager, rather I am the project scheduler. In this video, I want to explain what's involved in project scheduling and go into the techniques I use in monitoring the project. Some of these techniques I will be discussing in detail in future videos. Monitoring and controlling the schedule. Once the project plan is developed, the next step is to monitor and control it throughout the project's execution. This involves tracking progress, making adjustments and updating stakeholders on changes to the schedule. Maintaining control over the project by comparing actual progress with the planned schedule, project managers can detect any deviations and quickly adjust course. This helps maintain control over the project and keeps it moving toward its objectives. Key elements of progress tracking. Tracking progress effectively involves several key components, each playing an essential role in providing a complete view of the project's status. Baseline schedule. A baseline schedule is the original, approved project schedule created during the planning phase. It serves as a reference point for tracking progress. All tracking and comparisons are made against this baseline, enabling the project manager to measure deviations in time and resource allocation. Milestones. Milestones are key points within the project timeline that signify the completion of important phases or deliverables. Tracking progress against milestones helps project managers quickly identify whether the project is moving according to plan or if there are delays in critical phases. Task completion. Progress tracking involves monitoring the percentage of completion of individual tasks or work packages. This information provides project managers with a snapshot of how much work has been done versus how much remains. Resource tracking. Resource tracking monitors the usage of people, equipment and materials in the project. This ensures that resources are used efficiently and helps prevent over-allocation or resource shortages. Earned Value Management, EVM. EVM is a technique used to track both project performance and progress in terms of cost and schedule. It integrates the scope, schedule, and cost of the project to provide a comprehensive view of how well the project is performing relative to the original plan. Techniques for tracking project progress. There are several methods and techniques that project managers can use to track progress effectively. Each technique has its own benefits depending on the nature of the project, the size of the team, and the resources available. Gantt charts are one of the most commonly used tools for tracking progress. These charts provide a visual timeline of the project, showing task durations, start and end dates, dependencies and progress against each task. Gantt charts are highly effective for visualizing progress and spotting delays, as they clearly illustrate how much of each task has been completed versus what was planned. Task tracking software such as Asana, Jira, or Microsoft Project allows teams to assign tasks, update status, and log progress in real time. These tools provide visibility to the entire project team, enabling everyone to see who is working on what the percentage of completion and whether any tasks are behind schedule. Most task tracking tools also generate automated progress reports, making it easy for project managers to get an up-to-date snapshot of the project's status. EVM, Earned Value Management, is a comprehensive progress tracking tool that integrates cost and schedule to evaluate overall project performance. EVM provides three key metrics: planned value, PV, which is the value of work that should have been completed by a specific date according to the project schedule. Actual cost, AC, which is the actual cost of the work performed as of the tracking date, and earned value, EV, which is the value of the work actually completed measured against the project's baseline. Using these metrics, project managers can calculate the Schedule Performance Index, SPI, and Cost Performance Index, CPI, to determine whether the project is ahead or behind schedule and over or under budget. Key Performance Indicators, KPIs. KPIs are specific metrics used to measure performance and progress toward project objectives. Examples of KPIs include task completion rate, time spent on tasks, budget variance, and resource utilization. Project managers use KPIs to track measurable progress against the project plan and identify areas where improvements or changes are needed. Regular progress reports provide a snapshot of the current status of the project. Reports typically include updates on completed tasks, upcoming work, issues, risks, and any changes to the timeline. Progress reports ensure transparency and keep stakeholders informed about the project's development, allowing for informed decision-making if problems arise. Challenges in progress tracking. Tracking project progress is essential, but not without its challenges. Here are some common issues that project managers may encounter when tracking progress. Inaccurate reporting. If team members are not providing accurate updates, the project's true progress may be difficult to track. Ensuring that all members are clear on their responsibilities and are regularly updating their status is crucial for effective tracking. Task dependencies. Delays in one task can affect multiple others, leading to a domino effect of missed deadlines. Managing task dependencies effectively and anticipating potential bottlenecks is key to minimizing these delays. Scope creep. When additional work is added to the project without adjusting the schedule or resources, progress tracking becomes more difficult. Project managers must monitor scope changes carefully to prevent this from impacting overall progress. Resource constraints. If resources are over-allocated or not available when needed, tasks may be delayed. Ensuring proper resource planning and making adjustments in real time is essential for keeping progress on track. Best practices for effective progress tracking. Set clear milestones and deadlines, break the project into phases, and set clear milestones to measure progress along the way. These checkpoints allow project managers to assess whether the project is on track. Project management tools that automate progress tracking and reporting. This reduces human error and ensures that everyone has access to real-time data. Communicate with the team. Regularly communicate with team members to get updates on the task progress. Understand any roadblocks and make necessary adjustments to the schedule or resources. Use a combination of techniques. Incorporating multiple tracking methods such as Gantt charts, EVM, and KPIs provides a comprehensive view of the project's progress and performance. Conclusion. Scheduling and progress tracking is an essential aspect of project management that helps ensure a project stays on schedule, within budget, and aligned with its objectives. By using the right tools and techniques, project managers can maintain visibility over the project, address issues early, and keep all stakeholders informed. Successful progress tracking leads to better decision-making, more efficient resource management, and a greater likelihood of project success.